Hello there. We're back in Sansa's dungeon. And I think it's time to finish off that cretin once and for all. Where's my dog? Wolfie, come here, Wolfie. Oh, there you are. Great. So, last time was a bit of a mess. I couldn't find the golden key, and yeah, I derped around, and it was terrible. So, but this time, we're gonna find the golden key, because I have a very good idea where it is. Actually, the map's creator, thank you Excalibur, gave me a hint that I missed something in here. Oh, Knowles! Oh, no, come on, guys. Don't kill my dog. Wolfie, take them. It died. And I totally missed this room, and would you look at that? Gold key. Let's just grab that, shall we? Thank you very much. That's good work, Wolfie. Is there anything else exciting in here? Not so much. And what is this in here? Thank you for rescuing us. Oh, you're welcome. Ooh, looks like a bad place this. Here, take some of the treasure we hid. Sansa shaved the dwarf's beards for their insolence. That's not nice. Nitric acid can dissolve silver, such as the chain from the old man's golden ball. Also cures blindness. Also cures poison and blindness, not sure why. Oh, but we want to remove this thing we have. Did it take away the... I'm carrying way too much stuff. I should drop some of this. So do I have to like drink it or what? Hey, it removed the slowness effect that I had on me. Super! That's actually pretty neat. Pretty neat planning there. A potion of fire resistance. Another potion of fire resistance. A book and quill. Does it have anything in it? Yep. Note to slaves. The vicar lost his key stumbling in that unfinished hallway with all the bad crap in it. Make him a new one. Foremost, however, the slaves in the mine are in need of more picks. No more shoddy craftsmanship unless you want your friends to have to dig with their hands. Signed, Lord Sansa Tem. He's not a nice guy. Well, we don't need that. I don't think I need this gunpowder or these ink sacs. Or this prison key, or this block of gold. I have a lot of health potions. And a strength potion. Night vision. Regeneration. Yep. Okie dokie. Let's take this gold key and go and open that door. Are you with me, Wolfie? Wolf? Well, that's what I'm sure he's going to say. So, back to the dungeon here. I'm not sure if... I think we're gonna finally meet Sansa once we get the gold key here. So, we might have to be extra ready for whatever comes our way. There it is. So. Okay. So. Ooh, it opened up there. Are you ready, Wolfie? Let's Oh, why did I do that? Yeah, come on. Let's... Uh-oh. It's dark. What the portcullis slams behind you as... Whoa. Bugbears. It's bugbears. Whoa, loads of bugbears. Take them, Wolfie. Kill them all. Are they gone? Oh, no, they're not. Ah, it's Santa Tim! Oh no! Die, Santa! Die! Am I poisoned? I think I am. Oh, and he's also poisoned. Oh my. I have instant health here. Let's do that. Do I also have... my regeneration is stopped. I have healing, 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 more healing. I have tons of instant health here. Oh, it stopped. Thank you. Whew! I think we made it. Let's just see what I had no time to read the text. The portcullis slams behind you as darkness shrouds the room. Santa calls for his minions to attack. Yeah, right. They got a taste of the sword is what they got. So Wolfie, do you want a bone? Do you want a bone? Oh, he sits there. I don't have any rotten meat to feed him. What's in here? Danger. Stone fast. What is that? Oh, looks like a hole in the ground. Exit? What does this thing do? I'm not sure what that did. Oh, it opened up the exit. Do you think any more dangers lurk out there, Wolfie? Come on, let's go and see. Well, there are some horses. Hello, horses. Ooh, and a lead. I can take a horse with me. And what does it say here? Congratulations, you finished the map. Whee! Hooray, Wolfie! Hooray! We did it! I wonder how Oscar is doing back in the cell. Was there a town out here? Let's just see what the sign says. Really? It should be obvious. Seeing how it's called Escape from Santa Tim's Dungeon. Yeah, he's got a point. And we escaped. After this point, you're departing from the story. Perhaps. Thanks for playing. Well, thank you for a very nice map. I enjoyed it. It was cool. And I think it was, apart from the recording mishap, it was great to play this. There's a whole little town here. That's very nice. We really went all out here. Ah, well, kind of. This looks like a standard village, actually. Well, I guess that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Great. Good show, Wolfie. Bye.